Quinoa, the superfood that's pretty much good for everything. You may already know that quinoa is super healthy, but did you know it's also pretty much good for everything? It's packed with nutrients and proteins. The only thing it doesn't have is gluten, if that's a thing for you. Quinoa is an incredibly ancient seed and has been used in traditional cultures as a staple food since the time of the Incas, well before that, at least. This superfood is versatile, so you can find loads of different ways to use it. From stuffing bell peppers to creating hearty salads to using it in place of mashed potatoes, you can use quinoa in just about any recipe. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of eating this superfood and how to incorporate them into your diet. Quinoa. The benefits: high in protein. As with all seeds, quinoa is a great source of protein. Although quinoa contains only 1/3 of the protein of millet, it's still a great source as it's a complete protein source. High iron content. Another reason to eat quinoa is its high iron content. It's got more iron than spinach, kidney beans, and baked sweet potatoes. Heart healthy. Quinoa is heart healthy due to its high fiber content. This dietary fiber can help lower blood pressure, as well as reduce inflammation in the body. Easy to prepare. Quinoa is extremely versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways, be it as pilaf, an accompaniment for meats or vegetables, or added to salads. Gluten-free. If you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, quinoa is a great gluten-free option. Gluten is found in barley, wheat, and rye. While quinoa is not a grain and is gluten-free, it is often consumed alongside gluten-containing grains like wheat and barley during quinoa's cultivation. High in protein. Not only is quinoa high in iron, but it's also a complete protein source. This means it contains all the essential amino acids, which are used by your body to build muscle and tissue. Loaded with antioxidants. A great thing about quinoa is that it's loaded with antioxidants. These antioxidants help to prevent free radical damage to your cells, which can lead to diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Good source of iron. Iron is often left out of the conversation about superfoods for good reason. It's found in many foods. That being said, quinoa is a great source of iron, which is important for healthy blood and cells. Helps you feel fuller for longer. Due to its high protein content, it can help you stay fuller for longer after a meal. This is a great benefit of quinoa. It's an excellent source of protein, so it keeps you feeling full while also helping you maintain a healthy weight. 5 ways to incorporate quinoa into your diet. Quinoa pilaf. If you're looking for an easy, yet healthy, dinner option, quinoa pilaf is a great option. It's a rich source of protein, so it's full of energy while also being filling. Quinoa crackers. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to a traditional cracker, quinoa crackers are the perfect option. You can top them with your favorite flavor combinations and pack them in a lunch box for the work week. Quinoa salad. Quinoa is a great salad base and can be topped with almost anything. It's a filling option, making it a great lunch option too. Quinoa stuffed peppers. These stuffed peppers are packed with protein, making them great for brunch and dinner. You can also try swapping out the black beans for other protein options like eggs or chicken. Quinoa pudding. Quinoa is packed with nutrients and minerals and can be used as a base for a variety of pudding recipes. Make sure you pair it with other healthy ingredients like bananas, blueberries, and nuts. So, should you eat quinoa? Yes, absolutely. In fact, eating more of this superfood can help you to achieve all the benefits mentioned above. It's rich in antioxidants and nutrients, so it's a great addition to your diet. And what's even better, it's super easy to prepare, so you don't have to spend too much time preparing it. Quinoa, the food that's pretty much good for everything. In recipes. If you like quinoa, you're going to love how versatile it is. It can be added to just about any recipe and will not disappoint. In salads. Look for quinoa in the produce section as it is a great addition to salads. It can also be used in stir-fries and soups. In side dishes. Quinoa can be served as a side dish or as a main dish, depending on how you prepare it. In puddings. Since quinoa is loaded with nutrients, you can use it as a base for many different types of puddings. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to get to know quinoa better. Check the link in the description for quinoa and weight loss supplements. We hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in the next one.